Hello students, hope you all are doing very good. Today we are going to discuss on this question: when twice of a non-zero positive number is divided by its cube root, the quotient is obtained as 32. If cube of the number is divided by the number itself, then the quotient is what? Number itself. So here students, see what the question is actually asking. If cube of the number is divided by the number itself, cube of the number divided by number itself means x square, right? This is power 1, it will go up, 3 minus 1 is 2. So actually we have to find x square. They have written it in twisted way. If cube of the number is divided by the number itself, then the quotient is what? So actually we have to find the value of x square here. Now when twice of a non-zero positive number, so suppose our number is x, so twice of a non-zero positive number is divided by its cube root, this is cube root, the answer is 32, means the quotient is obtained is 32. Till here it's clear. Now this cube root x we will take this side, so it will become 2x is equal to 32 cube root x. See how easy it is. 2 table 32 we can cancel 16 times, so we have x is equal to 16 cube root of x. Okay, from here students, we have to remove this cube root x. So to remove it, what we will do? Cube on both the side. If you will cube on both the side, here you will get x cube, here you will get 16 cube, because this one is one term, this is one term, so this cube will come for both. Now here this cube root and cube will get cancelled, so answer will be x here. Now if I will take x this side, or we will divide both the side by x, this x cancel, here it will come x square. So x square is equal to 16 cube, and 16 cube can further be written as 4 square, right? And already 3 is there, so for 16 I am writing 4 square, already cube is there, so answer will be 4 power 6. So maybe in your MCQ option will be given as 4 power 6. So this is the solution of this question. See how easy it is, but little bit twisted here, one, and the second one to solve this equation. If you have understood everything in this, then only you can able to understand this kind of questions, students. And one more thing, if you are facing any problem, suppose you are facing problem in this step, so see this video again from the beginning, again and again. If you will see, then your mind will able to understand this concepts thoroughly. So hope you have understood this, students. If you have any other doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.